Hi, I'm LEOLANI. Yarana, as they would say in Tahiti. Today we're going to learn the Tahiti Tamau. This is basic step number 1. Let's begin in the correct posture. Roll your shoulders back, bend your knees in ha'a position, and you want to make sure that your big toes are pointing straight forward. No turnout. Knees straight forward. Extend your arms to the side, and we're going to check this from the side. Knees bent. Do not push your pelvis back or else you can strain your lower back. You want to tuck your pelvis under to a neutral position. Great. Let's begin. We're going to sway our hips gently from side to side. Straighten your leg and push against your hip. As you hit to the right, your left knee will come forward, and as you hit to the left, your right knee will come forward. Knees stay straight and closed. Let's try it to the side. Shoulders rolled back, hips in neutral position. Ha'a, bend your knees, and we're going to Tahiti Tamau. Hips right and left, knees going forward. Now try to put some power into it. Push 1 and 2. Use your thighs to thrust side to side. Awesome! Now we're going to try it lifting the heels. This may look more difficult, but actually, it can give you more leverage to push your hips from side to side. As your hips go to the right, your left heel lifts. As your hips go to the left, your right heel lifts. Let's get a profile shot. Arms out, hips in neutral position. Ha'a, bend your knees. And we're going to go Tahiti Tamau, right and left. Hips go to the right, left heel lifts. Hips go to the left, right heel lifts. Just like that, you got it. 1 and 2. Great. Great job. Now you're ready for the exercise. Now we're going to take what we've learned with the Tahiti Tamau and apply it to our routine exercise. Traveling forward and back in each direction. Let's start in place. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's travel forward. And back. To the side and taking baby steps, strong and power. To the back, go 1 and back. To the side and a 1 and back. Now 3 8 counts in place. Last 8 count, finish strong. And rest.